So my viewers and subscribers, work agency, I clean up and I try to do the do, you know. I do the thing the right and proper way. Yeah. So the underground pipes them now, they must sort them out little by little on that stretch of road there. Yeah, they must sort them out. We're out in the East Prospect. Yeah, my viewers and sub. It's a nice, beautiful morning. Yeah, big super up on the road there. And we just take a look on some work where take place on the underground system where a delay, where seems to be a delay to the paving of the road out here in East Prospect. Yeah, my viewers and sub, it's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. And work continue out in East Prospect here. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So we'll come up to one of the underground system here. Where you see them have to connect up. Yeah, them have to connect up at the pipe. Carry it over back to the from the main to the road. From the road to the main. And continue, because it seems like this section of the work here, it never did complete. So the new set of people them now have to go through little by little and complete the work on the road there. And that section of that work they should have complete long time ago. Yeah, that should have been complete long time ago, my viewers and subscribers. So we're out in East Prospect and we go back to where the promise start and where the promise stop. Yeah, we're out on the road there and we're there where the promise start and we're out where the promise stop. And we see the work continue. And as I was telling you, it seems like the underground pipes them is a big issue because they never connect the main. As them boys said, they never connect the main to the lane. Yeah, so but them busy I don't know. Them busy I connect up the main pipes them, I assume, before them can continue the asphalting at the main road. Them busy I collect the main pipe. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So machine out here, yeah. Machine park up. Machine need to get back working and stuff. Hello. Yeah man, machine need to get back working. We're out here, my viewers and subscribers. And I give you a little snap, a quick video on some of the delay why the road can't really continue. Yeah, because after you pave the road, you have to go back through it. Yeah, my Jenna. After you pave the road, you have to go back through it and I dig it up back. You see my viewers and subscribers, so we reach up to one of the black pipe, one of the underground system. Yeah, you might forget this complete very soon. And that system leads to cross the road here. Yeah, the system will lead right across the road here, you know. So it leads my viewers and subscribers. It almost black up and there is no gully on this side for it leading. I put a blank space. So my viewers and sub, a whole heap of work trying to have to do to get back this thing here back on track the right and proper way. So it's a difficult task. Them have ahead because they never start out on the right footing. Yeah, they never start out on the right footing, my viewers and sub. Yeah, they did not start out on the right footing. So now they have to go back underground and connect back the pipes, yeah, to the main. So you see my viewers and subscribers, these are the little things where delay work and make work last more than the length of time wait for last. These things make work last too long. So my viewers and sub, Big Super is out in East Prospect, just looking at the promise where I take how long. So remember, if you like the video, yeah, if you're new to my channel and you want to get continuous update, subscribe. You will always get continuous update on the road out here in East Prospect. Remember to share and show that you care, because caring is sharing. So share it with your friends them, with your family. Just share the video that people can see and know what's going on. Yeah, and remember to leave a comment. Comment is always good. Yeah man, you help make Big Super know how my channel progresses. For now, Big Super out in the beautiful East Prospect. Peace out.